Hi guys, just wrapped up this 2025 Ram 1500. This is the SST version. It's got a 6-inch rough country. Went with a 26 by 14 extreme force wheel, 35 1450 26 Fury MT2s. Not a lot of lifts currently available for this, for the 25 models. We paired this kit with the M1, or optioned it with the M1 loaded strut. This is an adjustable strut. It's got little C-clips that are in here so that you can adjust the strut. We adjusted it up one setting, which gave us about another ½ inch of lift. We also added the rough country upper control arms, as you can see here as well. Now, with this setup, there is a good bit of trimming, so I'll go over all that in a minute. If I get up in here, you can see some of the C-clip settings. It's kind of like a Bilstein 5100 if you're familiar with those. Still has really good angles at 6 inches, and technically we're at 6.5. We wanted a little bit extra lift so that we could have a chance to clear in this wide wheel and tire combination. And even then, we had to do a lot to get it clear. So on the new 25s, they've got this extra bumper plastic molding that runs all the way down, and so it used to run all the way down to here. So we moved the bumper forward 1 inch. You can kind of see that here. And then we had to actually cut the bumper, and then we had to cut the molding to match, and of course the valence as well. The inner plastic has to be cut. On the back, you have to do some pretty extensive modifications. On the pinch seam, we have to grind all that back, cut it back, then repaint it. And then on the flare as well, it has to be cut, and on some of your plastic. So this is what I would consider an extensive modification for tire clearance. If I had to do a couple of Dodges like this, Dodges usually have pretty good clearance, but when you put wide wheels on them like this, they really start getting into the fender and the bumper. So keep that in mind if you're looking at doing a setup like this. It can be done, but it is time consuming to do all the cuts and clearancing and still make it look presentable. But the truck turned out awesome as far as how it looks. And this thing has some red catskin leather that I got to show you that is just insane looking, with it being the white and black two-tone, and then the red interior is a really killer looking setup. It does have the new inline 6 twin turbo engine. Now if you're looking at doing this kit, we actually had to modify the exhaust slightly. It was trying to touch the drive shaft. That may be something they revise. Again, it's a brand new kit, but still wanted to mention that, and that shouldn't be a problem if it's not the inline 6 twin turbo, but if it is and you're using this kit, you may have that issue as well. So BDS and Zone also just released their version of the 6-inch kit for this. I haven't installed one of theirs on the 25 yet. Whenever we do, I'm sure I'll mention in the video if we had that same drive shaft clearance issue or not. And again, Rough Country may come in and revise that. I've emailed them about that just to let them know. So on the back, you can see you get your full coil springs, got new sway bar links, and then you've also got a track bar relocation bracket over here off the frame side. That just drops that down and keeps it parallel. You've also got your bump stop extensions on top of the axle. So I can get you to see that. And then again, we've got the Rough Country M1 shocks on the rear as well, which is just their tier up. They've got a couple different shocks, but it's their tier up from the N3, which is the N3 is their entry level. The M1 is their next step up, and when you buy it in the coilover conversion, or the coilover, I'm sorry, the strut option, you get the adjustable settings on it, whereas the other ones, the N3 and the V2, are not adjustable as far as ride height. Really good looking truck. Been seeing a lot more of these that come in with the black tops. It's getting really popular. I gotta say I'm a fan of it. It's really nice. I would like to see it on a different color, maybe a gray, maybe like a burgundy color. Something like that would look cool as well. All the ones that we've had come in two-tone like that have been white. I'd like to see it on some other colors. It's on the interior, as you can see. Get your CAT scan. The CAT scan is not something that we did. He had that done right before it was brought into us, but it does look killer. Alright guys, that's going to be it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.